Good morning everyone. Let us revise the previous class. In the previous class we learned about the properties of set operation. What are the properties we have learned? Commutative property, associative property, and distributive property. So commutative property, if for sets A and B, then A union B is equal to B union C, union of commutative property, okay, and then commutative, okay, and next one A intersection B is equal to B intersection of commutative. Okay, next one associative property for a set A, B and C, then A union B union C is equal to A union B union C. So associative of union. Of a set, okay, and then A intersection B intersection C is equal to A intersection B intersection C. So associative property of intersection of a set, intersection of set, okay, and then distributive property for a set A and B C, then A union B intersection C is equal to distribute A union B intersection A union C, okay. So union over intersection, union over intersection, okay, and next one A intersection B union C is equal to A intersection B union A intersection C. Here intersection over union, intersection over union. I hope you all understand the concept of properties of set operation. Okay, now moving to the next one of the concepts, De Morgan's law of set difference and set complement. Now see the next concept, De Morgan's law. So Augustus De Morgan was a British mathematician. He was born in Madurai. In Tamil Nadu, and he formulated laws for set difference and set complement. These are all called the De Morgan's law. De Morgan's law. Okay, so who's founder? The Augustus De Morgan was a British mathematician. He was born in Madurai, Tamil Nadu. He formulated laws for set difference and set complement. These are all called the De Morgan's laws. Okay, now see the first one, De Morgan's law of set difference. De Morgan's law of set difference. Okay, first law. For a set, for 3 sets, A, B and C, then A difference B union C is equal to A difference B union change to intersection. Okay, union change to intersection, and then A difference C. In a distributive property, you cannot change the sign. Okay, but here change the operation. Operation is union is given in the side, change here intersection. Okay, second one, A difference B intersection C is equal to A difference B. Here intersection is given, change to union, and next A difference C. A difference C. So these are all called the De Morgan's law of set difference based on the union. This one is based on the intersection. Okay. Second one, De Morgan's law of complement. Let U be the universal set containing finite sets A and B, then A union B the whole complement is equal to A complement union change to intersection B complement. And next one, A intersection B the whole complement is equal to A complement intersection change to union B complement. These are all called the De Morgan's law of set complement. De Morgan's law of set complement. So De Morgan's formulate the two laws. The first one is set difference, second one is complement. So set difference formula, A difference B union C is equal to A difference B union change to intersection A difference C. And second one, A difference B intersection change to union A difference C. Okay, and then De Morgan's law of complement, A union B the whole complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement. A intersection B the whole complement is equal to A complement union intersection change to union B complement. I hope you are understand the concept of De Morgan's law of set difference and complement. Now see the examples. Example 1.22. Verify A intersection B union C is equal to A intersection B union A intersection C using Venn diagram. Using Venn diagram. Okay, so first consider the left hand side. Left hand side is A intersection B union C. First preference to the bracket. So B union C. Instead draw a set, 3 sets is given. So you should draw 3 circles. So B union C is A set B C. So join all the elements in a set B and C. So which are the places as shaded? This is B and A, C and C. Okay, this is B union C. Here write it. B union C. And next find out A intersection. A, B, C. See here. Next one find out A intersection B union C. எந்தெந்த போர்ஷன்லாம் ஏல ஷேடட் ஆயிருக்கு. காமன் ஃபார் அ செட் B union C ஆல்சோ. ஏல எது ஏயும் B union Cயும் எந்த இதில் காமனாக இருக்குது. ஏங்கிற செட்டு இது. இதில் எதெல்லாம் காமனாக இருக்குது? இந்த போர்ஷன். ஓகேவா? ஸோ பி யூனியன் சிலையும் காமனாக இருக்கிறது ஏல இருக்கிறது எந்த போர்ஷன் மட்டும்தான் இது. அப்போ ஏ இன்டர்செக்ஷன் பி யூனியன் சி which place only shaded? So this is answer for A intersection B union C. It is denoted equation number 1. Okay, it is denoted equation number 1. Now see the right hand side. Right hand side, A intersection B union A intersection C is given. So first find out the A intersection B. So which are the places we want to shade it here? Common one for A and B. A intersection B. Okay. So A லையும் B லையும் காமனாக உள்ளது இந்த போர்ஷன் மட்டும். Okay. And next B intersection C. So A intersection C. So which terms are common here? This portion. Okay. So A intersection C shaded in this part. Next, join the two parts of A intersection B and A intersection C. So first see the A intersection B. Which parts shaded? In this part. Okay. A intersection B union A intersection C. So join. Next here, which portion shaded? This one. So answer for A intersection B union A intersection C is from 1 and 2. From 1 and 2 we get A intersection B union C is equal to A intersection B union A intersection C is verified. Is verified. This is the answer for the example 1.22. Okay. Now see the example 1.23. So verify A difference B union C is equal to A difference B intersection A difference C using Venn diagram. Let us consider the right hand side. Hand side, A difference B union C. So first preference to the parenthesis. So first to find out the B union C. So draw circle, Venn diagram. So B union C. Join all the elements from a set B and C. And next one, A difference B union C. A, B, C. Listen, A difference B union C means A மட்டும்தான் இருக்கணும். எது இருக்கக்கூடாது? B union C. So இந்த portion shaded பண்ணிருக்கிறது எல்லாத்தையும் omit பண்ணிட்டு remaining portion only shaded here. A மட்டும்தான் இருக்கணும் except the B union C. Except the B union C. B union C தவிர அதை omit பண்ணிட்டு அப்படியே Aல remaining என்ன portion இருக்கோ அது மட்டும்தான் என்னது? A difference B union C. Okay, in the part அப்படியே omit பண்ணிட்டு remaining shaded. Remaining part only you have shaded for the A difference B union C. I hope you are understand A difference B union C. This is noted by first equation number 1. Now consider the right hand side. A difference B intersection A difference C. So first draw the A difference B. A difference B. You know well A difference B, this one is it. So A B C. Yeah, right? A difference B. So A ல மட்டும் தான் இருக்கணும். எதுல இருக்க கூடாது? B ல இருக்க கூடாது. And next one, A difference C. A difference C. Here also appear only A, not an element and C. Okay, so A B C. So A ல மட்டும் தான் இருக்கணும் elements. C ல இருக்க கூடாது. ஓகேவா? And next one, A difference B my intersection A difference C. A difference B intersection A difference C. So which are the portions are common here? This portion common. Here not shaded, here shaded. So it's not considerable. Here not shaded, here shaded. So it's also not considerable. The common elements from a both set A difference B and A difference C. So A, B, C. So which are the portion? This portion only covered. Okay, and this is the equation number 2. So compare the equation 1 and 2. We get from 1 and 2 we get A difference B union C is equal to A difference B intersection A difference C. is verified, is verified. Okay, I hope you are understanding how do you draw the Venn diagram for the set difference. Okay, so next one of the example 1.24. Solution given. If P is equal to set of all x such that x is belongs to W. So, W means whole numbers. So, whole numbers start from 0 and 0 some interval is given 0 less than x less than 10. So, whole number start from 0. W is equal to set of all the elements 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So, endlessly going. Okay. So, we need here 0 less than x. 0 vada adhigama. Appo start from 1. Okay. Less than 10. 10 vada kammiya. So, start with 9. So, what is the interval here? The set P has the elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. And next Q is equal to set of all x such that x equal to 2n plus 1. Set of all x equal to 2n plus 1. So, n is here also the whole number, n is belongs to the whole number and n is less than 5. So, n value is less than 5. So, you know the whole numbers. Whole numbers 0, 1, 2, 3 etc. Okay. Now, substitute the value. N value is start from n equal to 0 up to 4 because less than 5 is given. So, start with 4. Okay. So, n value is 0. So, x equal to 2 into 0 plus 1. You get 2 zeros are 0. 0 plus 1, 1. Next n equal to 1. So, x equal to 2 into 1 plus 1 equal to 2. 1s are 2. 2 plus 1, 3. So, n equal to 2. So, x equal to 2 into 2 plus 1. 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1, 5. So, n equal to 3. X equal to 2 into 3 plus 1. So, 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. So, n equal to 4. So, x equal to 2 into 4 plus 1 equal to 9. 2 4s are 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. So, the elements of a set Q are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Okay. And then, so R given in the Rooster form. Okay. So, the elements of a set R are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. Okay. Then verify to verify. What do you verify here? P difference Q intersection R equal to P difference Q intersection right in the union and then P difference R. P difference R. Okay. And now do the problem. First consider the left hand side. First consider the left hand side. So, what is the left hand side? P difference Q intersection R. So, first preference to the brackets. So, Q intersection R is equal to. So, what are the elements in a set Q? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and then intersection R values, all elements are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 and 13. Okay. So, which are the elements are intersection means common on both sets Q and R. So which are the elements? 3 common, 5 also common, 7, that's all. So Q intersection R is 3, 5, 7. Okay. Next find P difference Q intersection R. So what are the elements in P? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Difference of Q intersection, the elements are 3, 5, 7. 3, 5, 7. So difference means only X hidden element on a side, B, P only. So which are the elements common? That will be cancelled. So 3, 5, 7. So remaining elements in a set P are 1, 2, 4, 6, 8. So it is denoted the equation number 1. Now consider the right hand side. Right hand side. So what is the right hand side? P difference Q union P difference R. So first preference to P difference Q. So what are the elements in a set P? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Difference Q. Q has elements are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Okay. So difference. So which are the elements common? First cancel it from the both set P and Q. 3 and then 5, 7, 9. 1 also cancel. So remaining elements in a set P difference Q are 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay. And next I find out P difference R. P difference R. So elements of a set P are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. And then set R difference R 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. 13. Okay. So first cancel the common one from both sets P and R. 3, 2, 5, 7. That's it. So remaining elements in a set P is 1, 4, 6, 8, 9. Okay. Next. P difference Q union P difference R is equal to join all the elements 1, 2, 4, 6, 8 and 9. So it is denoted equation number 2. Equation number 2. Here is 9 is not written in the space. Okay. So from 1 and 2 we get P difference Q intersection R is equal to P difference Q union P difference R is verified. Is verified. I hope you all understand the example 1.24. And next one example 1.25. 25. Okay. So verify A union B, the whole complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement using Venn diagram. Okay, see the solution. First consider the left hand side. Okay, so A union B the whole complement. A union B the whole complement. First preference to the bracket value. So first find the A union B of Venn diagram. Okay, so A, here complement is given, so you should draw the universal sets. Okay, universal sets A and B, two sets, finite set. Okay, so A union B, so join all the elements in a set A and B. So shaded this full portion. This is a universal set. Okay, and next one A union B the whole complement. Whole complement means except A union B remaining part of the universal set. So A union B means, so universal set difference, the whole complement is equal to universal difference of A union B. இப்போ எது மட்டும் இருக்கக்கூடாது, A union B இருக்கக்கூடாது. ஸோ இங்கே ஷேட் பண்ணியிருக்கிறது எல்லாம் அதில் இருக்கக்கூடாது. அது போக ரிமைனிங் பார்ட்ஸ் அன்ஷேடட் பார்ட் இஸ் கால் தி A union B தி ஹோல் டேஷ். ஷேட் பண்ணாத ரிமைனிங் பார்ட். ஸோ அங்கே அந்த டயக்ராமில் A union B எதெல்லாம் ஷேட் பண்ணியிருந்தோம், இது ஃபுல்லாக ஷேட் பண்ணியிருந்தோம் அப்படி தானே. ஸோ அது தவிர மீதி உள்ளது தான் என்னது, A union B தி whole complement. So which are the place? So except these two portions fully. Okay, okay, it's denoted the equation number 1. Now see the right hand side. Right hand side A dash intersection B dash. A dash intersection B dash. First draw the universal set. Draw inside of the universal set containing two sets A and B. So first one A complement. So A complement means except A. So except A means this portion fully called A. This portion fully called A. So Aங்கிற செட்டை தவிர A ஃபுல்லும் என்ன செஞ்சிடணும், omit பண்ணிடணும். So remaining parts is called the A complement. A ஃபுல்லாக omit பண்ணிடணும். So remaining part fully shaded. So what does remains? Okay, this is called the A complement. Next one B complement. B complement meant except B remaining elements in a set in U. U means universal set. Universal set. Okay, so what is remain? So this full portions denoted B. So what it remain? These are the remaining parts. Except B, except A. So remaining in a set of all the elements in U. Okay, universal set. Next to find out A complement union, sorry, intersection B complement. A complement intersection B complement. So intersection means which are the places are common in a both set. Which are the places are shaded common? So which are the places commonly shaded? Here not shaded, here shaded. Okay, here shaded, not shaded, here shaded. So the outside of A union B, full and full shaded. Okay, so the shaded area, common area of a set A complement and B complement is A intersection B dash. A complement intersection B complement. It is denoted equation number 2. From 1 and 2 we get A union B, the whole complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement is verified. Okay, I hope you understand the concept of De Morgan's law of complements. Okay, and next example 1.26. U is equal to set of all the elements X such that X belongs to Z. X belongs to Z means, okay then. Now see the example 1.26. So if first one, U is equal to set of all the elements X such that X belongs to Z. So Z means integers. So integers, how do you write? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, etc. In the side minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, endlessly going on the both side. Okay, it's called the integers. Here give it one of the condition, minus 2 less than equal to X less than equal to 10 is given. So you have included minus 2 and included up to 10 values. So start from minus 2, minus 1, 0 up to how many values we will write? Have to write up to 10. Okay, so now listing all the elements here. The set U had minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, and set B, A has a set of all the elements X such that X is equal to 2P, X equal to 2P plus 1 and P is belongs to integer, then the interval is minus 1 less than P less than equal to 4. Okay. So minus 1, start from minus 1 less than equal to P less than equal to 4. So included 4. So start from minus 1 to 4, the P values are given. Okay. Now substitute in this place. So first P is equal to minus 1. First substitute the value of P is equal to minus 1. Second one, P is equal to 0, P equal to 1, P equal to 2, P equal to 3 and P equal to 4. Substitute in this equation, we get the value of elements X is equal to 2 into P value is minus 1 plus 1. So minus 2 plus 1 equal to minus 1 and X equal to 2 into 0 plus 1 equal to 1. X equal to 2 into 1 plus 1 equal to 3. X equal to 2 into 2 plus 1, 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 5. And then X equal to 2 into 3 plus 1, 7. 2 3s are 6, 6 plus 1, 7. And final one, X equal to 2 into 4 plus 1. So 8 plus 1 is 9. So the elements of a set A are minus 1, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Okay, and B, set of all the elements x such that x is equal to 3q plus 1, 3q plus 1. So x equal to 3q plus 1. Q is belongs to integer. The interval of the integer is minus 1 less than equal to q less than 4. So included minus 1, not included plus 4. Okay, the interval of minus 1 between of plus 4. So what are the elements? Minus 1 I included. So minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Here less than 4 only given. So not consider the 4. So the values of elements q is equal to minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Now substitute the q value in this equation. So x equal to 3. First apply q value was minus 1. So x equal to 3q minus 1 plus 1 is equal to minus 3 plus 2. Minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2. And next one, q equal to 0. So x equal to 3 into 0 plus 1, 1. And q equal to 1, q equal to 2. So x equal to 3. 1s are 3 plus 1 4 and q x equal to 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7. Okay, and q is equal to 3, x equal to 3 into 3 plus 1 9 plus 1 10. Therefore the set B has the elements are, first one is minus 2 1 4 7 10. Okay, now find out the, verify the De Morgan's law of complement. So first law, first one, A union B the whole complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement. So first consider left hand side. Okay, A union B the whole complement. So A union B. So what are the elements in the set A union B? Minus 1, directly write, join all the elements. Okay. So minus 1, then minus 2, next 1, 3, 4, 5, 7, 9 and final one is 10. Okay. It's A union B. You want to find out the A union B the whole complement. So A union B the whole complement is equal to universal set difference of A union B. So universal set has elements minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Difference B union C. Minus 1, minus 2, 1, 3, 4, 5, 7, 9, 10. So which are the terms are common cancelling? The both sets 3, 4, 5, sorry 6 is not cancelled, 7, 9, 10. So remaining element in a set universal is 0, 2, 8, 6 also there is it, 6 and 8. So A union B the whole complement is 0, 2, 6, 8. So it's equation number 1. Okay, next find A dash, A complement complement. A complement means universal difference A. So universal set as element minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Difference A. What are the elements in the set A? A has elements minus 1, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So common elements will be cancelled. 2 is not here. 3, 5, 7, 9. So remaining elements in a set universal is minus 2, 0, plus 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. Next to find the B dash, that is B complement. So universal set minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Difference B values are minus 2, 1, 4, 7, 10. So common elements will be cancelled. So 1, 4, 7, 10. So remaining elements in a set U universal is minus 1, 0, 2, 3, 5, 6, 8, 9. Now find the which one? A dash intersection B dash, that is a left hand side, is it? Right hand side value is A dash intersection B dash. So A dash intersection B dash is equal to A dash values minus 2, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Intersection B dash value minus 1, 0, 2, 3, 5, 6, 8, 9. So intersection means common elements. Mark the common elements 0, 2, 6, 8. These are the common. Compare the equation number 1 and 2. We get 0, 2, 6, 8. So from 1 and 2 we get the same values. So it is satisfied the A union B, the whole dash is equal to A dash intersection B dash. Okay. So elements 0, 2, 6, 8. Equation number 2, from 1 and 2 we get A union B, the whole dash is equal to A dash intersection B dash is verified. Okay. So one of the complement set is it. Another one of the complement of set is A intersection B, the whole dash is equal to A dash union B dash. That is homework for you. I hope you all understand the today concept. Thank you students.